In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Groups. This is one of the fastest ways to see how different parts of the market are performing and to quickly drill down to the stocks that fit your focus. Start by heading to finviz.com. When the homepage loads, look along the top menu and click on the tab labeled Groups. This takes you to a dashboard that organizes the market into buckets so you can compare performance at a glance. Next, choose the way you want the market grouped. You can view by sector for a broad overview like technology or financials, by industry for a more granular slice such as semiconductors or banks, by country to see geographic trends, or by market cap to compare performance between large, mid, and small caps. Pick the category that best matches the question you're trying to answer. Broad themes often start at the sector level, while more specific trades may benefit from the industry view. Now decide how you want the information displayed. Bar chart highlights performance visually so leaders and laggards stand out immediately. Grid shows a clean, sortable table with key numbers in one place, which is great for quick scanning. Chart presents small performance charts for each group, helping you spot momentum and direction. Spectrum shows a color-coded heat-style view, useful for a rapid sense of breadth and intensity. Choose a time period to compare results. Options like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and year-to-date let you see whether a move is short-term noise or part of a larger trend. It's helpful to toggle a couple of time frames to confirm whether strength or weakness is persistent. Review the group metrics on the page. You'll see figures such as performance over your selected period, price-to-earnings ratios, and the number of stocks in each group. These metrics add context. Strong performance with reasonable valuations can be more compelling than performance alone. When something catches your eye, click a group, like technology or financial, to drill down. This opens a more detailed view that narrows your focus to just that slice of the market, making it easier to explore what's driving the move. From there, open the screener for that group. Finviz will take you to the stock screener with the group you selected already applied, so you're immediately looking at the relevant list of stocks. This pre-filtered starting point saves time and keeps your analysis aligned with the trend you just identified. That's the workflow. Open groups. Pick your grouping and view. Set a time frame. Review the metrics. Drill down and jump into the screener to explore candidates.